If I close my eyes, I'll probably end up dreaming about you. But then again, if I stay up, I might call you on the phone and say that I want you, I need you, or some other lie to boost your ego up. So you come here running with your hand to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you took it down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me.
Hi my loves, and welcome back to my channel. We are back with another wig install from the company Subella Hair. Thank you so much to Subella for sponsoring today's video. They sent me over this gorgeous curtain bang blonde wig with highlights. This wig is in the texture of body wave. The lace is 13x4. The inch is 26 and the density of this wig is 220%. So one thing I want to mention is that this wig was very full. Considering that it was 200% density, it actually was a very full wig. And this wig, like I just stated, is a 13x4. So you do get a decent amount of lace space on this wig as well. I'm just going to go ahead and cut off my lace to start this install like I always do. So I'm just going to start off cutting it by my ears. Now, I did notice that this wig was a little snug on my head, but it wasn't too bad. It really didn't bother me too much, but it was a little snug on my head. But to install this wig, I'm just going to use my Ebin spray in the black can. It's one of my favorite sprays to use as of recently. It really does hold my wigs in place. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that section by section.
Making it clear, you don't want me any more than a simple urge, and it's up to you, put me in reverse, and I will entertain that loss, but now and then my mind runs out, and it's funny how my imagination paints you in the best of lives, focused on the green and grass.
So because this wig is blonde, I did not bleach the knots on this wig. Typically with my blonde units, I do not bleach the knots. I just added makeup on my lace. I'm just going to go ahead now and just use my wax stick and my hot comb to just get this part situated. And for this hairstyle, I am going for a curtain banged look. So I am going to try my best to like cut some cute curtain bangs in this wig. I really do like the way they came out though. I think it really made the hair stand out a little bit more. So I really thought it really came out cute. But one thing that I really do like about this wig, the different colors in this wig, is not just a blonde color. I don't know if you guys can really tell, but if you look by the root, it does have like a different tone, which I think is really cute. Especially with my blonde units, I really don't like when the roots is like all blonde. I typically like my roots to be a little more dark. So I just went ahead now and I'm really just trying to bump the front of my head to give me that nice curtain bang look so the curls can like flow in front of my face. To blend this lace in, because it was a little difficult to blend the lace in considering I did not bleach the knots on here, I'm just gonna try my best to blend it in with some powder, and I actually was running out of powder when I filmed this video, so I was really upset about that. After I added the Ebin spray on top, it kind of made it blend in a little bit more, so that was a plus. You guys can see right here my lace is lifting a little bit, but I'm just gonna go ahead later and spray some more Ebin spray down.
We go round in circles, searching for love. We go up and down, lost and found, searching for love. Looking for something that lives inside me. Looking for something that lives inside me. You won't break my soul. 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 I'm telling everybody, 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 everybody. I just fell in love. I just quit my job. I'm gonna find
This wig did come with some pre-cut curtain bangs in the front, but I'm just gonna go ahead and cut some more layers into this wig because I feel like, especially with the curtain bang style, you really have to add those layers so you can get that nice curled look. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut some more layers into this wig. So after cutting some more layers into this wig, I'm now going to start styling the hair. So I'm just going to take my T3 curling iron. With this specific hairstyle, I like the way that it looks with the wand, like the barrel curls on the wand. So as you guys can see, I'm just wrapping the hair around the barrel because I really didn't want like with the clamp curls, if that makes any sense. I really wanted that nice wand curl. But if you guys are going to stay tuned and see further in the video, I am going to use the clamp to kind of curl the curtain bang look to give me like a different style. And this is my favorite part of all my hairstyles is brushing out the curls. So I'm just going to take my wide tooth comb and just brush out the curls. And as you can see, these curls were so pretty. I actually love the way this wig came out. And I absolutely love the color of this wig. And actually, my birthday is coming up. So this is going to be the perfect birthday wig for my birthday. But overall, I really love this wig. It was so pretty. I love the curls. I love the color. Real cute, perfect for special occasions, or if you just want to change up your hair color real quick. I totally would recommend this wig. Thank you so much to Subella Hair for sponsoring today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you'd like to purchase this wig, do not forget to check my description box. I will not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.